हेलो नमस्कार। खुश रहो बच्चों। आई एम जेवीएन डॉक्टर शाहनवाज आलम, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर ऑफ ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर। टुडे we discuss about most important concept of Indian economy. Today topic is cause of commer- commercialization of agriculture. The most significant event was revolution in the means of transport. The railway were rapidly extended. The route of mileage increasing from 432 in 1859 to 1990 in 1881 and 25363 in 1991. At the same time, the work of the road construction was also seriously taken in hand. A road from Bombay to Goa was concerned in 1840, and by 1853 the Grand Trunk Road had been extended from Banaras to Delhi. These newly opened roads and railway link up different parts of the country, thereby facilitating the movement of crops from the surplus to deficit area and from the isolated village to the port new town, from where it was shipped to distant part of the world. Very railway station become a mandi or export center to which traders and exporters alike flocked. The open of the Suez, Suez Canal in 1869 was another event of the worldwide importance. This, the open of the canal cut the sea routes between India and England by over 3,000 miles, shortened in the period of journey between the Kolkata and London by 30 days. Another factor was the revolution and dep- depression depression in the British shipping industry. The revolution was caused when, from 1869 onwards, the new or more efficient steamship began to replace the old or slow-moving sailing vessel, especially on long-distance routes. The depression in British shipping was brought out when, with the opening of Suez Canal, the, dis- the distance between the England and East was reduced, and good many ships were ren- rendered surplus. This tends to competition among shipping companies and fall in freight rates. For example, in the 12-year flowing the freight rate, for example, in 12-year flowing, opening the canal, freight rate from Kolkata to London fell to less than half from 50 selling to 27 selling per tons. However, it was American civilian civil war which clearly and dramatically revealed a break in the economic isolation in India and brought about the commercialization of agriculture. The war transfer transfer the British demand for cotton from America to India as result, which export the cotton at once jumped from 5 lakh bales in 1859 to 12.6 lakh bales in 1865. The export of rice, wheat, and other food grain also increased. Another, the British demand for India raw cottons fell off after the Civil War was over. It was largely compensated by the increase in domestic demand. This growing demand for Indian agriculture produce helped to spread the tendency toward the commercialization. The area under commercial crops began to be extended with different parts of the country specializing in particular crops. Another contributory factor was the introduction of money economy in the money economy in from each cash assessment of land revenue and substitution of rent in kind of cash rents. Formerly, land revenue was realized in kinds, and therefore the peasants was not faced with the problem of obtaining money. Now, what the payment was made in cash, he had to find money by the sale of his product. The problem did not end here. It was rather the beginning of new ones. The problem of finding a market for the produce. The market, the market problem was solved by export of food grain to England, and this in turn created a favor of balance of trade, out of which the home charge where we paid. Thank you. And next chapter we will discuss about the effect of commercialization of agriculture.